Hi everybody, Cindy Artrip, Avon Independent Sales Representative, coming to you today to do the unboxing of my proximity marketing Elify Wave. I have been using the Elify Shuffle card, which is an electronic business card, for a while, and I've been having great success with it. So I wanted to get the beacon, and this is through Elify, and it's called a Wave Beacon. So I got it in the mail, and I'm going to open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So, oh, how cool is this? This is how it's packaged. It's inside of foam, so it's packaged very nicely. And here it is. This is the Wave Beacon. So it's pretty small. It's not very big. It has a hole on it, so you can add it to your keychain, or you can put it in your purse. If you want a storefront, you can put it in the front window, and when people are walking by, they would get a notification with your special or your sale, whatever you're promoting, through the Wave Beacon. And on the back is a QR code, and I'll scan this to activate it. And there's a little plastic tab here that you pull out, and it's for the battery. So the battery isn't being used until you pull this out and activate the battery, and then it starts working, which is really cool. So this is a nice size. It's not that big. And this transmits information to any mobile device out there that you're around within 100 feet through, it's called BLE, which is Bluetooth Low Energy. It's a radio frequency. So that's how it's transmitted. And it's natively supported by Android phones, and there's about 80% Androids out there. So, which is really great. There's information down below so that you can become an Elify Shuffle card user, that you could sign up. Now, the Elify Shuffle card is now $19.99 a month if you don't use my code to sign up. If you use my code to sign up, you will get the Elify Shuffle card for only $10 a month. So use my link below so that you get it for $10. It went up as of July 1st to $19.99, but anyone that uses my link will get it for $10 a month, so you want to make sure and take advantage of that. But the Wave Beacon is only $10 a month. So a $20 investment into your business for these tools, I think, is awesome. Like I said, I've been using the Elify Shuffle card for a while and having great success with it. And now I have the beacon. So all the information is down below. If you have any, you need any information, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And I will see you guys soon.